Hey YouTube, Scott Off-Road, how you doing today? Well, it's October and we've got the Mission to Haiti Jeep back. Happy. Actually, it's a good thing. We've got a brush guard to put on the front of it and a winch plate to put on the front of it. We're still waiting on the rear hatch to get here. I just contacted Dead Jeep and they said they're waiting for a good hatch to come in, so hopefully that'll get here soon, because that's kind of the last piece we're waiting on. But I don't know what's going to be involved in putting this brush guard on. I'm hoping I can do it without taking off the front bumper, but I won't know until I get going. So let's have some fun. Well, that went on pretty easy. However, we're not done. The idea on this is there's very few automatics in Haiti, and it's pretty common for vehicles to roll back, so this will give the front end just a little bit more in protection, but they wanted just a little bit more, and that little bit more goes right here. Pull these off. See what we have. Well, there's one more piece on this piece of resistance. Thanks to Tractor Supply, we now have a jerry can. Let me go get it. Now the jerry can is actually quite important. The last time they were in Haiti, they went 10 days without having any fuel. There's no gas to the island. They shut down, came home to the States. I think they've been back to the States for a month and they still don't have fuel. We got our new brush guard with winch plate. I've been told they have a winch sitting down in Haiti waiting on them. So they'll have to do that once they get there. But if nothing else, that adds a lot of extra protection to the front of the vehicle. And do you think we're done? No! Let's see here. One pair radiator hoses, upper and lower, or lower and upper. one brand new starter. Whoop whoop. And another box. I wonder what that could be. How about a water pump? All right, now all that's left for me is the hatch. Again, I just called dead Jeep today. They're waiting for a good hatch to come in. I guess the ones that have been coming in have been dinged up and beat up, so they're waiting for us, waiting for a good one to send us. So we'll get a hatch coming. Mission to Haiti wants us to put some locks on the high lift jack and the jerry can in the back, and also they want me to put a lock on the latch on the rear hatch to help secure that as well, on the rear swing out to secure that as well. Other than that, I am pretty well done with this. Oh, I guess there is one more thing. Let me go get it. You ready for that last piece? Here it is. Woo! Oh wait, that doesn't tell you anything. How about, maybe this will give you a better idea what it is. Yaw! Whoop! Or whoop. Yep, Scott Off-Road decals came in today. Woo! So we'll put a couple of those on the Jeep as well. All right, guys, have a blessed day.